What a glorious day. Holy
nice,
moly. Yeah. But it's not supposed to get above zero, but it feels pretty warm.
With the sun, you're definitely feeling above zero.
It's at least on zero, but yeah, it feels full.
So for the house Scott and Donna want to build, we're gonna need to run a power line from the road up to the back. And that's what we were marking out earlier with the small, with the pink tapes. And there's some trees here that Scott's knocking down himself further towards the back. So Earl is up front here, and I thought I would come down and see if he had gotten started. This is what I found. He's a lot further along than I thought. So this is the area that Scott and I tagged, where we got lost in the woods. We're trying to do the straight line and it didn't work. And as you can see, Earl has already come through here and has made his way over to the road before cutting up to the back field. Earl is making his way down the hill. He's going to connect up with the road down below where he'd been pulling the trees out before.
Anything is good for a log, isn't it?
Yeah.
You walked by that oak that I took down. Nice log in the bottom of that one. Pretty green. Right there on the other side is where he's going to go into the woods and go
Straight through. I see the tag, yeah. Yeah.
I never would have thought it'd come over that far.
You're pulling it straight and the thing rolled sideways.
Wild.
Yeah.